Hi, Kirsty from Cottage. I'm going to show you today how to stretch and work your muscles of your forearm. A lot of us spend time at the computer and it's really hard to do other things when your muscles are all tightened up from the computer work. So let's get started. The first exercise we're going to do is stretching the rotator muscles in between your arms, your radius and your ulna, bones of your arms. So what we do is we turn gently your hand outwards. It's called external rotation. And then we gently apply a little bit of resistance as we come around. And then we stretch and move again. And then we do a little bit more. So turning it around, externally rotating, and then applying a little bit of resistance as we turn it back towards an internal rotation. Then we do the opposite. And applying a little bit of resistance as we turn our hand back the other way. And one more time. And a little bit of resistance one more time. So you should feel a little bit of a stretch here and here. Okay, the next one is stretching out the hands, the muscles that we use to straighten our fingers. They're called extensors. Okay, so we just push our hand down back towards the elbow gently and place pressure above the knuckles there. And give that a bit of a stretch, and as you feel the stretch happening, then you just gently provide resistance as you straighten it up. We can do that twice, and the opposite one is just gently pushing on your fingers like this, and oh, that feels wonderful, that stretch, and then pushing downwards. Okay, do that twice because it feels so good. And down. So we feel a stretch in here as well as in here. Now they're two different sets of muscles. The other things we can do is rotating our wrists externally and rotating our wrists internally. Now this mostly happens on the right hand side, but depending on what you do, if you're left-handed, you might get it on the left hand side as well. So there we have your forearm stretches. Kirsty from Cottage. Thanks for listening.